This screencast is designed to help you understand a fairly simple way to be able to convert a single column of text into a multiple column of text. The first step to do this is to create a new column so that we will have a blank column to be able to convert the text into. So we will need to go to Home, Insert, Insert Sheet Columns. What we will be doing will be converting the last comma first column to last and first. So what we need to do is highlight the column, go to Data, Text to Columns, make sure that delimited is marked because it will use characters such as commas or tabs to separate each field, noticing that our fields are separated by comma. Click on Next. For the delimiter, you will need to select comma, and you'll get a preview of what the data will look like once it's separated. Then this we will just use general. Then this is another data preview for the final preview before we finish up. Click Finish. And you'll notice that the columns are now converted into two separate columns, last and first, and the comma separating them has been removed. Now to separate address, city, state, and zip, again we repeat that step. We go to Data, we go to Text to Columns, we select Delimited for using commas, click on Next, then we select comma for the delimiter. We double check our data preview to make sure that it's looking the format that we want it to look into the 4 different columns. Click on Next. Again, we want to use column data format general, and we get a data preview of the 4 columns, and we click Finish. And when we go back, we notice that it has been separated into 4 distinct columns: address, city, state, and zip. And the commas again have been removed that were separating each field. This can be very handy when you're wanting to separate into different columns, whether it's an address as in this example, or whether you're just wanting to separate information. You can separate it based on the comma, a tab, however you have the information divided by field and how it's divided. So this is a very simple way to be able to do it and divide it up into columns.